Being a parent, I had to use school clubs and childcare for my children. Back then, there wasn't any that were run by diverse communities or that reflected this sort of diversity of Newport. It's very much led by the people. 80% of our staff are from the community with lived experience.
We got over 185 children or young people. We help them with homework. We run different activities like baking, swimming, do craft. We nurture the young children. Everybody is welcome. It's a safe environment, and you want to boost every single parent. We want to give them the best we can when they leave this place.
Lots of children come in somewhere like in weekend. They make a new friend. They gain different culture, especially through this. So I believe like they doing brilliant work for this community. My second daughter, she was coming probably from beginning of the club. KidCare tried to get her apprenticeship with Monmouthshire Bank, and she working with Monmouthshire Bank about 2 years now through the apprenticeship. They try to build young people career through this club.
KidCare will always be like a part of me because I started going there as a child and I was able to become a volunteer and our staff. And a lot of my friends, they're current volunteers or members now. It's been really impactful in the sense that it's not only helped, children, parents, but the whole community in general, I'd say. Because it's only just a Saturday every 2 hours, but I feel like those 2 hours eventually build up to something that's so much bigger. I feel like it's had such a lasting impact.
I lost my husband 2 years ago, and KidCare has been there for us through myself and the children, and it become our second home where we go when we need support. The kids had counselling through KidCare, also myself. There's so many different individuals that's involved in KidCare, in different professionals, and you can always find the answer you're looking for. So it's been a really blessing for my family.